So this is the Sportman EX, and we set up our color, print color here in head number 1. So this is 2-color job, and then we set up flasher on head number 3, and then the second color on head number 8, number 7 here. So in this video we're going to show you how to use revolver mode in this particular machine. So we're going to do is 2 whites and 1 yellow. So it means like we're going to print white first, and then we're going to flash it on number 3, and then go around, hit the another white again, and then yellow. So now we're going to program the revolver. Go to main, revolver mode, and then this is the first. So this is the second revolver. So this is the revolver 1. So we're going to on number 1, and then we're going to have 2 swipe, and then we're going to flash on 3, and then go around again to print number 1 again, and then after that we're gonna hit number 7, which is the second color gold, 2 swipe. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna hit the run and start the job. So how to start the job, Percy?
There you go.
Okay, up and up. There you go. So that's the first color here, white. Nice and good. This is a left front, so small logo. We're flashing this one 8 seconds to start this job. So this is the second white already here. So we started on number 1 board. You should see that's number 1 board there. So we're gonna wait on number 1 here to come around and print the yellow. Make sure it's like dry. I think it's dry. That's the beep. Means the number 1 reached the last flasher. There you go, printing the gold, plated gold on top of the yellow, on top of the white, I mean. Go there. So once you reach number 1, we're gonna stop it and put it on the pedal mode. kind of like one board at a time. So from here, I'm going to put it, number one is supposed to be here, then put it down, and then that's it. So the printing process stopped. I'm going to unload the first board. And then I'm going to put the new one. And after that, we're gonna do the start again, yeah, and then do the pedal. And then we're gonna start the whole process again, printing it, and then at the same time, it's going to finish the other board here. So that's how the revolver mode works. So this is the first board here coming. So we're going to show you how to start your revolver again after. So we're going to load the last board. This is our second carousel. So you're gonna pedal again. And then after that, printing. Then after that, we're gonna put auto right here, and down and auto. There you go. Supposed to be down and up. This one down and up. Good. Thanks for watching.